In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sales rep in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to this settings cogwheel here in the top right. And then from here, you want to go to where it says custom fields. Now, for this, we're going to have to create a custom field. So just click on add custom field over here or in the top right in case you have some already. And then what you can do here, as you can see under suggestions, it's going to automatically say sales rep. So you can just click on that and it's automatically going to populate. Or if it doesn't, you can just give it a name, which is sales rep. So we can just name it sales rep, of course. And then the data type is going to be drop down list. Of course, here you can select the color. I'm just going to leave it like it is. And then in here, you want to add, of course, your names. So I'm going to just name a few people, which are going to be my sales reps. So I'm going to do Jimmy. I'm going to do Buck over here. And let's add two more. So for example, let's just actually do like Max. And we'll do one more. It's going to be Jill. Okay. So those are my people now. Those are the sales reps. So we can, of course, add up to 100, as you can see over here. And then you can go down here and select the category. I'm going to do customer. And that's, of course, what you should do. And from here, you can select the forms. So we can put these on the forms you want. I'm just going to put them on invoices and estimates. And you can double check everything is right. And you can then just click on the save button at the bottom right. And there we go. As you can see, now we've successfully created it. Okay, so we have the sales rep over here. And now let's go ahead and create an invoice just so I can show you how this now works. So if I go to create top left and click on invoice, it's going to allow you to basically create an invoice. You can add the customer. I'm just going to add a random one over here. And as you can see, we now have a new field which says sales rep. And if I click on it, I now have my sales reps over here. So I can click on Jimmy, for example. So the sales rep here is going to be Jimmy. You could do whichever one you want, of course, on your list. You can add them in the previous menu we were on. I'm going to just leave it on Jimmy. Then I'm going to add a random product over here. And then I'm going to just do like amount. There we go. That's going to be it. And I'm going to just save this. Okay, so I'm just going to save this one. And that's going to be it. I've saved the invoice just so I have an invoice which has a sales rep. Now you can then also go and do reports using these sales reps. So you can go over here on the left, click on reports. And then from here, you'll see there's like a bunch of different things. Click on standard reports. And where it says type report name here, you want to type in sales by. And we're going to do customer detail. Okay, so we're going to click on customer detail. And now from here, you can see, of course, it's going to show you like that. I can now go to customize up top and I can add different filters. So I can filter by, and then there's going to be a bunch of things. At the bottom, there's the sales rep, which we created. And I could do a filter by if sales rep equals, so this is the condition, should be equals. And then we can put the name of that person. So we put Jimmy over there. I'm going to do Jimmy over here as well. Wait for it to load, and you can then see your reports as well, just like that. Okay. So that's essentially how to add sales rep in QuickBooks Online. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.